In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your iPhone before selling or trading it in. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, you're going to want to open settings. Tap your name and select iCloud. Once you go ahead and click iCloud, what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you see iCloud Backup. Go ahead and click on it and tap the option that says Backup Now and wait for the backup to finish. Next, if you use an Apple Watch, go ahead and go into the home screen and search for the Watch app. Go ahead and click on the app. As you can see, I don't have an Apple Watch, but there should be an option that says all watches within this My Watch screen. Go ahead and select the info icon next to your watch and choose Unpair Apple Watch. Return to settings and click on your name again like so and scroll down until you see this device list near the bottom. Go ahead and click on your phone from the device list. And when you do, you'll be able to remove any credit or debit card still connected through Apple Wallet. Now go back to the main settings page right here and tap on General you have to scroll down. But go ahead and click on General. Scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Go ahead and click on it, and then tap Erase All Content and Settings. When you do, you're going to want to press Continue, choose whether you want to keep or delete your eSIM, then enter your iPhone password. You may also need to enter your Apple ID password. Your iPhone will erase everything, disable Find My, sign you out, and return to the factory setup screen. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.